We don't get you, madam. Can you speak loud?
Am I audible now? Tell me.
Good afternoon.
Am I audible?
Come on.
Everyone, please mute yourself so that I. Hello. Am I audible to you now?
Yes.
Tell me. Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, we are here, you, madam.
Yes. Arva, am I clear to you? My voice is clear to you?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat, ma'am? I was
Saying
audible.
Is my voice clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay, perfect. So let's wait for 4-5 minutes. Let more people join in, and then we'll start with percentage. So remember, we have done basics of percentage, right? In the
Yes,
last
ma'am.
class? Yes. So we did basic of percentage. We will revise that, whatever we have done in last class. And after that, today I will introduce new concepts. All right?
Hello. Hello, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's wait.
Hello.
Are we waiting for more people? Are we expecting more people? Total 15 participants till now.
There are more people, ma'am, maybe because some time problem. Usually, like last two classes, ma'am, like class was taken at 12:50. So, ma'am, they were waiting till 12:50 and all. So, ma'am, that's
Okay,
why.
all right. Okay, so if you have friends, just message them quickly so that they can join
Yes,
and
ma'am,
we
I
can
have
chat.
messaged in the group. Hopefully they will be joining.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Please keep yourself mute. We'll start the session in another 2 minutes. Okay, so tell me what we have learned in the last class. You remember this thing? Everyone remember this percentage to fraction, fractions to percentage conversion? Those who were not in the last class, please note it down. This thing on the screen, please note it down.
Can you zoom it, please?
Sorry, did you say anything? Please write
Can you
in
zoom
chat
it?
box. Please write in chat box. Please mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself and write in chat box. So in the last class, we did basics of percentage, in which we have done percentage to fraction, fractions to percentage conversion, right? So see here that in this list, you can see 1 by 1 is 100%, 1 by, okay, I'll zoom in. Okay, all right. Yes. Can you see it now? So yes. So 1 by 1 is 100%, 1 by 2 is 50%, 1 by 3 is 33. So note this down. I will tell you how to use it. In the last class also I showed you how to use it. Today also I will show you how to use it. Everyone remember one shortcut we learned in the last class? Can anyone tell me what was that shortcut? I told you a shortcut. Some formula I gave you. Tell me what was it? Are you guys maintaining a copy? Please maintain a copy. Do not write it random places. Make a notebook only for math, only for quant. And then note things down in that. Because once the class will get over, how will you revise? Right? You have to revise what you have studied. Okay, tell me, what was the formula I taught you last class? No one noted. Please tell me what was the formula. Arva, you were there in the class. You should remember that formula.
Yes, ma'am, but I didn't note it down. I just take screenshot.
So do one thing today onwards. From today onwards, all of you will maintain a notebook, right? Will maintain a notebook for two different. It's okay. It's okay. So from today, I'm telling you that maintain a notebook for quant, for all this maths topic we are going to do, and then maintain one different copy for logical reasoning questions. Okay. Because whatever we will practice in class or we will solve in class, you do need to revise it. If you do not remember the formula, I gave you shortcut formula. Okay. But if you do not remember in the exam, how will it help you? So note down everything. All right. Okay. So everyone, please note this down.
Ma'am, this which you have given in the screen?
Yes, the thing I have given on the screen, 1 by
Yeah,
1.
good morning, ma.
Yes.
Good morning, ma. Actually, in your last class, when I watched from the step up video, you said we should stop at 1/16. So today, should we copy to the 1/24?
Yes, I told you to note down till 16, but if you want, you can note down till 30. See, understand, basically, if you remember all of it, well and good, very good. If you can remember all of them, but if you can remember up to 16, that is also fine.
Okay, thank you, ma.
In at least this first 16 will help you lot wherever you need to do a lot of calculation. So if you want to save your time for calculation, you can use this percentage fraction. Everyone noted? Yes, percentage
Yes,
increase,
ma'am.
decrease formula. Yes. I gave you now that A plus B plus AB by 100 formula. Okay, let's practice on this first. So in the last class, I told you, you can merge multiple percentage, right? So if I say that length of a rectangle is increased by 20%. Please mute yourself, everyone. Please mute yourself. Okay. And what is given to you extra? That breadth of a rectangle is increased by, let's say, 10%. So what is the percentage change in area of the rectangle? So I told you, you can use this formula. What was the formula? Can anyone tell me? A plus B plus
You
AB
said,
by 100, right?
yeah.
This
Yeah.
formula. So put it over there, 20% increase. So 20 plus 20% increase. So plus 10 plus 20 into 10 by 100. Calculate it and tell me the answer.
No. 40 plus
32%. Correct? 32%.
32, yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
madam.
So this is the formula I taught in the last class. Wherever you need to merge multiple percentage, right? So you can use this formula. Now in the same question, if I say length of the rectangle is not increased, let's say it is decreased. If I say decreased, so now tell me what will you do?
A minus B.
A minus B.
No. 20% is decreased.
Minus A,
So
minus B.
minus 20
20 plus, yeah,
and B will become 10.
plus 10.
This is increase, so only 10. This is decrease, so minus 20 I will take, right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Calculate and tell me the answer. Everyone keep yourself mute. If you have any query, any doubt, write in chat box. Write in chat box. So minus 20 plus 10 plus minus 20 into 10 by 100. Okay, so double
Minus 12.
minus 2. This is minus 20 plus 10 minus 2. So minus 32. Sorry, minus 24 plus 10. So minus 14. Yes or no?
No, madam. And plus 12, no, madam. Miss.
Minus 20 and minus 2 will be minus 22. Sorry, 22. My mistake. 22. So you 12.
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
Minus 12. Minus 12 is the right answer. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So overall change in area will be how much? 12% decrease, because this minus sign is here now. So we will say that 12% area is decreasing. Earlier it was positive, so I will say 32% increase in the area. Got it now? How to use that formula?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the same formula applies for discounts. Okay, I'll give you example. Let's say there is a product, it is written on the product that it is of 100 whatever rupees or whatever currency you want to put over here. Okay, so discount is of 100, sorry, the product is of how much? 1000 rupees. Okay, and now I say that the shopkeeper is offering me 50% discount plus 40% discount. So overall, how much discount? Overall, what discount percentage?
19.
So
19.
no, it will not be 90. See what will happen. From first on 1000, he will give 50% discount. So from 1000, I will subtract 50% of 1000. 50% of 1000 is how much? Tell me.
500.
500,
500,
correct?
500.
Because if you go back to our list, you see 50% is how much? 1 by 2, correct? So it means I can do 1 by 2 of 1000. So 500 rupees discount. So first he offered 500 rupees discount. Now the remaining price is 500. On this I will apply second discount. So calculate 40% of 500. Now I told you that calculation 10%. Calculate 10%. How much will be 10% of this? Just remove the last digit. So 50. Correct or not? 10% of 500 will be 50
Yes.
into 4 because
100.
4 times of this. So 200.
100.
Correct? Yes or no? If 10% is 50,
Yes.
40% will be into 4. So minus 200. So now the second discount, this is our first discount. This is our second discount. Now what will be the price become? 30. 300, correct? The final price will become 300. Please mute yourself and type in the chat box.
Sorry, Ma, can you come again for this, the 40% discount? Sorry.
Yes, I'll do that. See, 40% discount. Wait a minute, I'll show you. See, 40% of 500 I need to calculate. Can I calculate 10%? 10% of 500. I told you whenever you need to calculate 10% of any number, just remove the last digit. So this will become your 10%. So 50 will become your 10%. If 50 is 10% is 50, so 40% will be how much? Into 4 here. So into 4 here.
50 into 4.
200. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. 40 into 50 into 4 is 200, right? So 200 when you subtract, so it will become how much? Second
300.
discount. Correct. First discount, 1000 rupees shirt. Let's say this was shirt. 1000 rupees shirt. He said, I will give you 50% discount, then plus 40% discount. So first 50% discount is given, then 40% is discount is given. So how much I will get? 300, right?
Yes.
But we need to calculate overall discount. So overall, how much is discount given? From 1000 to 300. 700 rupees discount is given. Yes or no?
Yes.
How do you calculate discount?
Yes.
Discount
The
percentage.
first
Discount upon
Into 4,
price.
40 over
100.
100. Yeah.
So calculate discount percent. Tell me how much will be the discount percent. This is your formula of discount percent. Discount upon original price into 100. Discount is how much? 700. Original price was how much? 1000 into 100. Calculate how much it will be. 700 upon 1000 into 100.
70.
70. Right? So 70% discount. But you do not want to do all this tedious work. Directly apply our shortcut formula. What is the shortcut formula? A plus B by A plus B plus AB by 100, right? So apply that formula on this part. A plus B plus AB by 100. I know first discount is 50%. I know second discount is 40%. Correct? So discount. Now remember, discount is always minus, negative. When you give discount, it is lesser the price. So minus 50 minus 40 plus minus 50 into minus 40 upon 100. Calculate it and tell me the answer.
minus 70.
Correct. So now I can say the overall discount is of how much percentage? 70%. Got it? The usage of this formula in discount scheme.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do one example. 40% discount plus additional 30% discount. Calculate overall discount percentage. Calculate this.
Ma'am, what is the total price?
$58, madam.
Yes, tell me.
It's 58.
Discount 28.
Oh, everyone getting
Yes.
the same answer? Okay, let's do. Minus 40 plus minus 30 plus minus 40 into minus 30 by 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. This minus will become plus 12, minus 30, minus 40. Minus 70 plus 12 will be minus 58%, right?
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
can say that the overall
Yes,
discount
ma'am.
is of how much rupees? Overall discount is of how much percentage? 58% discount, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So all this thing we did in the last class. Okay. So your revision is done. This thing we have done in the last class, fraction. Then this formula. Okay. Then one more thing we did in the last class. What was that? Percentage increase or decrease. Remember? If I increase X by 10%, I will get 1.10x. If I increase it with 20%, I will get 1.20x. If I increase it with 15%, I will get 1.15x. If I increase it with 7%, I will get 1.07x, right? Note it down, everyone. Percentage increase, percentage decrease. And please, everyone, make a copy. Otherwise, you will miss on everything. You will not remember anything. Make a copy for quant, make a copy for logical reasoning. Make a proper big thick size notebook and note down everything. So that when you start writing questions, start solving question, you can check that what all concept you have studied and which concept to apply. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this was percentage increase. How do you do percentage decrease? I told you that also. Percentage decrease. If you decrease X with 10%, what will you get? 100 minus 10, 90, 0.90x.
0.9, yes.
If you decrease it with 20% decrease, so 100 minus 20, 80, 0.80x. If you decrease it with let's say 5%, so 100 minus 5, 95.95x. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone remember the question we did in the last class? We did a question. Population of a town is 2 lakhs. if you increase it with 10% for 3 years? That was the population of a town. Let's say any town, the population is 2 lakhs. And 10% increase is there in the population every year for 3 years consecutively. So 2 into 1.10 into 1.10 into 1.10, correct? 3 times. Because for 3 years it is increasing, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can handle that type of question. Okay. Today we are going to do a different concept. Okay. Let me give you the concept. Please mute yourself. Please. Arva, ma'am, instead of doing 3 times, ma'am. No, into 3, nahi, power 3. You can write power 3. 1.10 to the power 3. Here you are saying, please mute yourself. Someone's mic is unmuted. 2 into 1.10 power 3, because 3 times it is multiplied.
You were not charged yesterday. Forget.
I am muting all of you. You are not listening to me. You keep mic on and then you keep talking. Okay, yes. So I was... Azim, we have done that class, I think last week, Monday, I think. Last week, Monday, I did this percentage class. Don't worry, we will cover everything in this class also. Okay. So, yes, I was saying that last to last Monday. All right. Yes, Arva, you're right. Okay. So, this is how you will do for, if you don't want to write 1.1 into this many times, so power 3, but because you have to multiply it 3 times. Okay, into 3 you can't do. Okay, read this question and tell me what do you understand by this question. Read it and tell me what do you understand by this question. Anyone tell me what do you understand by this question? Price of sugar is increased by 25%. How much percentage consumption should be decreased to keep expenditure constant? Okay, so let me give you an example. Okay, you have, let's say you have 100 rupees. Okay, you have 100 rupees. You go to McDonald's. Okay, and you buy burgers. Okay, you buy burgers from there. So the price was 20 rupees. So how many burgers you can buy in 100 rupees? The price is 20. and you have 100 rupees. So how many you can buy? 5. Correct? Everyone got it correct, right? So you can buy 5 when price was how much? 20 rupees. Now I say the price is increased and it become 25 rupees. Now how many burgers you can buy? If I keep the money same, I keep the expenditure same. Earlier also you have 100 rupees. Now also you have 100 rupees. Very good. So everyone is giving me correct answer. So one thing I understand that if I keep price constant, I do not change the price, expenditure constant. If I increase the price, consumption will be decreased, right? So consumption is decreasing from 5 to consumption is becoming 4, price is becoming from 20 to 25. So that's the same thing they are asking you, but in terms of percentage. I gave you number in examples, correct? I give you 100, 5, 20. I give you 120, 125. Now in the question, they're saying percentage. So price is increased by 25%. Consumption should be decreased to how much percentage consumption should be decreased to keep expenditure constant. Okay. So let me explain you how will it work. Okay, prices increase by 25%, consumption decrease, expenditure constant. So first of all, let's understand the formula. What will be the expenditure? Expenditure will be price into consumption. Yes or no? Expenditure is equals to price into consumption. Okay. So this was original thing. Let's say this is original thing. Okay. Now what happened? Now price is increased by how much? Read the question. Tell me how much is the price increased? 25%. So it means new price will become P. If I increase it with 25%, 25% increase. So it will become 1.25 P. Yes or no? I just told you percentage increase. This one was your percentage increase, na? So if you increase by 10, 1.10, increase by 20, 1.20, increase by 15, 1.50, increase by 7, 1.07. So in this case, it will become 1.25 P. Yes or no? Correct? Everyone understanding up to here? So price become 1.25 P. Consumption we don't know. So this new consumption new, we don't know, right? And expenditure we have to keep the same because they are saying the original expenditure and the new expenditure is same, constant. Question is saying expenditure constant. So this E and E same, P will become 1.25 P, C become new, C new it becomes. Okay, now can I equate this to equation because both is equals to E? Equate these two equations. P into C is equals to 1.25 P into C new. PP cancelled. So C new becomes C upon 1.25. Yes or no? The new consumption is C upon 1.25. Yes or no? Now try to convert this into percentage. If I'm able to convert this into percentage, it will become, that will give me my answer. So if I remove the decimal, I will put 100 over here. So 100 upon 125C. Okay. I want to convert this fraction into percentage. So if I want to convert it into percentage, multiply 100. Okay, calculate this, how much I will get? 25, 4 times, 25, 5 times. 400 by 5. 400 by 5 means how much? Wait, I'll come to that. Up to here, you understand the formula, you understand. Do not go through the calculation. C is equals to C upon 1.25. You understood up to there? Forget this calculation. C nu is equals to C upon 1.25. You just have to equate these two equations. These are two equations. I will keep it together. So what all can I cancel? P and P cancel. C and C nu are two different things. So C nu become C upon 1.25. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now, once you get your C is equals to C nu upon 1.25, correct? Try to convert this upon 1.25 into percentage. Convert it into percentage. So into 100, do 100 here. Multiply 100 here. And calculate 100 upon 1.25. Everyone, please do the calculation. 100 upon 1.25. %, correct? Absolutely correct. So it means, can I say that C nu is equals to 80% of the C earlier, correct? The new C nu becomes 80% of the earlier. So earlier it was C, now it becomes C nu, and this become 80%. So how much is the decrease? Tell me. If this is becoming 80%, so how much is the decrease? Decrease. I'm asking you, if this become C become 80% of the previous C, correct? So how much is the decrease? 20%. Exactly. So now you got the answer finally. What is the answer to your question? Price of sugar is increased by 25%. How much percentage consumption should be decreased to give the expenditure constant? So that is 20%. You decrease the consumption by 20% so that you get the expenditure constant. Now this method is very lengthy. Adi, wait a minute. This method is very lengthy. I don't want to do this method, right? I will quickly see what was my question. Price increase by 25, consumption decrease we need to calculate to keep expenditure constant. Okay. Increase in price we know. What do we know? Increase in price. Increase in price is how much? 25%. Decrease in consumption, do we know? No, we do not know this. We need to calculate this, correct? Second method. And expenditure, we need to make sure that that is constant. There is no change in expenditure. Okay. Now everyone pay attention to the screen. I'm showing you the shortcut. Okay. See shortcut here. See, price is increased by how much? 25%. Can you write 25% in fraction? Don't tell me percentage, tell me fraction. 25% in fraction. Check your list. 25% in fraction. The list I've given you, this one. 25% is how much? Fraction? 1/4, correct. So I know that price is reduced by, price is increased by 1/4, right? Price is increased by 1/4. Now see here, consumption will be decreased by, you copy this fraction here, copy that fraction here, copy this sign here. If it is increased, so it will have a plus sign. If it is decreased, it will have a minus sign. So here it is plus sign. I will put that plus sign here. And then copy numerator here. What is the numerator? Numerator is 1. So copy that here. How much you will get? 1 by 5. Now look into your list. What is your list? 1/5. 1 by 5 is how much? Look into your list. Yes. So from your list, you got direct answer 20%. See, I reduced all this step. You don't have to write E is equals to P into C and all this. Directly this shortcut. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Wait, I'll give you one more example. Let's say price is decreased by 20%. Find consumption increase percentage. Expenditure is constant. Okay, again, I will apply that technique. What is the technique? Price is decreased by 20%. Means 20% in fraction. Tell me how much is the 20% in fraction? Check your list, fraction list. One by 5, correct. 1 by 5. Why I have written minus sign here? Tell me. Because it is decrease here. In the previous question, it was increase. Therefore, I have written plus sign. Now it is decrease, right? Okay. What shortcut I told you? Tell me the step. Copy the fraction. Copy the fraction. Copy the sign in denominator. Copy the numerator in the denominator. So how much I will get? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 in percentage is how much? 1 by 4 in percentage. 1 by 4 fraction in percentage. 25%, correct? So I can say that if price is decreased by 20%, consumption will be increased by 25%, right? Everyone getting the shortcut? Okay, let's do one more question similar to that. If I say speed of a car is increased by 16.66%, find the percentage decrease in time. Distance is constant. So the distance is constant, speed is increased, time is decreased. So how much percentage? We'll do this example. You will tell me the right answer. Do this example, everyone. Do this example. Speed is increased by how much? 16.66. Tell me the fractional value of 16.66. That's why it is important to remember that fraction list. Correct. So speed is increased by 1 by 6. Yes or no? What the shortcut says? Shortcut. Copy that fraction. Copy that fraction. Copy this sign. And copy numerator. So how much it will become? One by 7, correct? 1 by 7 in percentage. Check your list. 14.28%. Very good. 14.28% will be the decrease in time. Correct? So you know how to apply this shortcut. Increase, if they say increase, plus sign. If they say decrease, minus sign. Simple. No change at all. Copy that fraction, copy that sign, and copy numerator, whatever numerator here. If it is 2, I will copy 2. If it is 1, I will copy 1. Okay. All right. Okay. So now let's do a few questions. Do this question. Same shortcut apply. You need to apply the shortcut. A is increased by how much? B will decrease by how much? Adib, try to do this question. You will get the shortcut. Long method, you don't need it. You can do all the question by this method. Or long method, you can do that. E is equals to expenditure is equals to price into consumption. Yes, yes, absolutely. Your answer is correct. Musa, your answer is correct. Yes, everyone is giving me the. Adib, in exam you have to mark objective options, correct? So question will be given to you and option given to you. And it is time-based questions, time-based exam. So you have to be faster. So the shortcut, if you use shortcut, you will be faster any day, right? Yes, everyone is giving me the correct answer. What is the answer? Plus 20 plus 1 by 4. Copy that fraction, copy numerator, copy numerator, right? 1 by 5, that is 20%. Correct? Yes. Do this. This does not require any shortcut. You can do it in normal method. Read the question properly and then try to solve it. Martin, all the details will be given to you soon. Okay, all of you, those who have any kind of doubts about exam or anything related to the exam, so mail on this ID. Please note down this ID, Step Up Learning Solutions @gmail.com. Correct? Note this ID down. Anyone who has any doubt related to exam pattern or when will be the exam or anything, you mail on it. And you will get your queries resolved. Okay. Note down this email ID. Done, everyone? Okay, solve this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. Solutions, S. There is an S to it. Okay, let's solve. Of total amount received by Ryan, 25% was spent on purchase, 5% remaining amount was spent on transportation. Okay. Let's say Ryan has X rupees. Let's say he has X rupees. So on purchases, how much he has spent? He spent 25%, means 1/4 he spent on purchases. So remaining will be how much? X minus 1/4 of X. That is 3/4 of X. Yes or no? Remaining after the first purchase. Now 5% of the remaining amount was spent on transportation. Okay, so transportation, 5% of this. So it means 5% of 3/4X. Correct? Now, tell me if 5% is gone, remaining will be how much? Out of this, 5% is gone. So remaining will be 95%. So 95% of this will be the leftover amount. Correct? His leftover amount is how much? 1520. Calculate this. Do the calculation. Tell me what will be the initial amount. Okay. See, this is the remaining after the first iteration up to here. Once he did the purchase, the amount left is 3/4X. Correct? Now 5% is gone. So 5 upon 100 is 5% is gone. So remaining is how much? 95%. 100 minus 5%, 95%. So 95% of 3/4X is the leftover amount. Everyone got the correct answer? Correct answer is option B. When you do the calculation, X is equals to, you will get 1520 into 100 into 4 by 95 into 3. Done, everyone? Done? Okay, try this question. Solve this question. Very easy question. What is your answer, Arva? Yes, Arva, your answer is correct. Absolutely correct. Very good. Let's say one person mark is X, another person marks is X plus 9. Right? One person marks is X, another person's marks is x plus 9. What they are saying, the one who got more marks is 56% of the total marks. Okay, so who got more marks? This person got more marks, and this is equals to 56% of total, this plus this. That's it. Solve this equation. X plus 9 is equals to 56 upon 100. 2x plus 9. Solve it. 100x plus 900 is equals to 56 into 2. 112x plus 56 into 9. 504. So this will become how much? 12x is equals to 900 minus 504. So I will get 396. And 396 when divided by 12, x is equals to 33. So one person is getting 33. Another person will get 33 plus 9, 42. So what are the two marks? 42 and 33. Correct? Everyone got the correct answer? Correct answer is option C. Yes or no? Okay, do this question.